Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on ACER Iconia Tab P11. So you have to start by opening your Google application. Then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on voice match. Then click here to enable your voice match and click on I agree and click I agree again. Then click next. Then click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you can go back and then click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.